Audiobook Glimpses of Self-Realization, Chapter 64. Why Ganesha is called Vigneshwara. For those who tread the pathless path of self-inquiry, obstacles are in plenty. A comprehensive understanding of Vigneshwara is necessary to avail a successful entry into Brahmavidya. 1. The lotus seed. We should be like a lotus blooming at self-knowledge or sun, holding our heads high above the muddy ponds of the phenomenal world or samsara. 2. The crown. The crown is a status symbol of an emperor. A man of self-knowledge is an emperor in the physical as well as spiritual world. 3. Big ears. The big ears denote Sravana or intuitive hearing. The science of Brahmavidya, the science of practicing pure awareness, should initially be heard from a preceptor, and big ears suggest absolute attention necessary for an aspirant of Brahmavidya. Or small eyes are suggestive of keen observation and introspective contemplation necessary for a student of Brahmavidya. 5. Long proboscis. Even dogs and pigs use their sense of smell for their day-to-day existence. Similarly, an elephant can pick a log of wood and a pin with its proboscis. Thus, proboscis denotes the faculty of discrimination necessary for an aspirant of self-knowledge to distinguish between the real and the unreal. 6. The broken tusk denotes egolessness, essential for a student of Brahmavidya. 7. Pot belly indicates contentment. 8. The rice bowl and Veda in both hands stands for prayas or material wealth, and Shreyas, spiritual wealth, and harmonization of both physical and spiritual existence. 9. The hook with an axe and the noose is suggestive of detachment from worldly bondage and freedom from desire, anger, greed, delusion, ego, competition, attachment, and aversion. 10. The mouse with a little rice bowl. The mouse depicts worldly desires, which are powerful obstacles in the pathless path of self-knowledge. The desires should be at our control, otherwise, just like rats, they will undermine our faculty of self-knowledge. Thus, by adopting Ganesha as our spiritual guru, we will attain both material prosperity and spiritual beatitude.